Hey there guys, Shaqtech from Shaqtech here and welcome to a brand new video. And today's video is going to be a quick one. I was looking online for tutorials on how to do this, and it's just going to be simply about how to replace your handbrake or handbrake cover. It's actually really easy to do, but it was just surprising not to find any tutorials or videos of this online, so I thought I'll make one while I attempt to try and replace mine. As you can see, it's a bit worn out, so in this video I'm just going to show you how to take it off. And this is for a Mazda 3 or Mazda Axela. I believe any of the models from 2014 to 2019 models have a handbrake design like this, where you can just slip them off. So yeah, let's get right into it. First things first, we want to expose the bottom of this handle. So what you can do is you can unbutton the boot as simple as this and zip it down, and then you can pull this back, and then you can see we start exposing the actual handbrake, and this is the cover itself. Now you'll notice the cover, the original, so this is the original Mazda cover, has like a kind of like a rubber sealing boot, so when you try to pull it off, this should just come off like that, but this may be a bit stuck at the start if you haven't ever replaced it before. So to help it off a little bit, I use a flathead screwdriver to do so. And what you do is just grab your flathead screwdriver, and just what you want to do is get alongside it and stick it through from the bottom of the boot into the rubber lining, and you essentially want to get it up and above this little groove here and just kind of loosen it up a little bit. I'm going to do the same to the other side. Don't be afraid to push it up a little bit. It's just all rubber inside this, so it's alright. And then you want to do one on the top, just to loosen it up. And now that you've done a little wiggling, so you may have to do a bit more or less depending on how stuck this is on. There should be nothing underneath holding it onto. You should just be able to give it a little bit of a push. I find that giving a push from the bottom with both thumbs will get it up. And there you go. You got the handle off. As you can see, it's just a little hollow rubber cover, leather cover, and then you can go ahead and remove it and do whatever you need, reupholster it or get a new cover and put it back on. And yeah, you've exposed the raw handbrake. But yeah, that's simply how you do it. And to just put it back on, slot it back in, and just let it slide back down like you did before. Give it a bit of push. Get it all the way down, put the booth back on, button it up, get the zip up, and just like that, you're good as new. And so yeah, that's the video. Hope you enjoyed and hope it was useful for you. Please comment down below if you want to see some more car tutorial videos, especially for the Mazda. This is my new daily. So yeah, let me know down in the comments below if you want to do any of that. Thank you very much for watching. And as always, I'm one, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.